Hello, you're most welcome once again to my YouTube channel, and I am here once again, the knowledge base. My being here is to teach you something new on ChatGPT. I know there are so many people who are saying that ChatGPT came to compete with humans. No, ChatGPT came to actually simplify our kind of work. It came to simplify and make life easy. And in this way is where we are taking ChatGPT as our great partner. Once you're a great partner with ChatGPT, you will live a better life, and you will find that in your tasks at your job, at your employment, your tasks are delivered right on time. And the secret is here. We may be seeing this, we may be seeing ChatGPT and ask ourselves, what is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is one of the greatest AI software that we're using to create. We are using to help ourselves deliver on time, but not only delivering on time, but also make our life much more easy. And those stereotypes of people who are saying that ChatGPT came to make sure that people lose their jobs. No, ChatGPT came as a partner to make it simpler for each and everyone that wants to create. In this case, we are going to create. In this case, we are going to ask ChatGPT on creating something for ourselves. And when we talk about creating something for ourselves, we should be able to know how to command ChatGPT. In this case, we're looking at a budget planner. Budget planner. Okay? If you're out there and you're an accountant, you're in your business. You don't need to be an accountant. You're in your small business, SMEs, entrepreneurs, micro, macro, whatsoever. But you want to have a budget planner. Okay, now here we'd be able to command it and say design an Excel sheet, an Excel spreadsheet to track an Excel sheet that incorporates, so an Excel sheet that incorporates ChatGPT to analyze expected savings. Okay, let's talk about maybe expected savings strategies, or generate financial insights, whatever you give it. I'm just giving you an example. Okay, budget planner. Okay, and this is what I am commanding it. Let's get running. Let's look at what it is going to tell us. Okay, creating a budget planner in Excel that incorporates ChatGPT for the financial comes up. Now it is coming in to design it for you, and this is how you design it. Okay, great. Here within less than 30 seconds we are able to get this. Okay, look at what it did. Creating a budget planner in Excel that incorporates ChatGPT for financial insights involves a few steps. In this example, I'll guide you through the process of designing a simple budget planner with a ChatGPT-powered financial insights section. Please note that integrating ChatGPT into Excel might require some programming skills, and for simplicity and will assure you some basic setup. If you are not good at setting up, then you need to have your developer with you or your IT specialist in your company. Step 1, Excel setup. Create categories: income, expense and calculation, net income calculation, savings section. All these guidelines are well given to you as you well commanded it. We have step 2, ChatGPT integration. Now, for the ChatGPT integration, you will need to use a programming language like Python along with the Open ChatGPT API. For simplicity, let's assume you have a Python script that interacts with ChatGPT. Okay, here we're trying to look at using ChatGPT as well, and when you're using ChatGPT, okay, that gives you analysis. You know, ChatGPT can do anything. It incorporates ChatGPT for financial insights. Now, ChatGPT is the one that is supposed to give you the financial insights. And this is how you can connect it, and this is how you can incorporate it. If you do not have this knowledge, you can be able to seek guidance. Okay? Now, let's look at this. Let's say we don't want to incorporate it there. Okay? What you can do this, copy this, bring it here, and maybe you want to change it, paste it here. And then you say, you may remove this. You may say, okay, budget planner, design an Excel spreadsheet that will help to analyze expected savings, or whatsoever you want. Budget planner, design an Excel spreadsheet that will help to analyze expected savings strategies or generate financial insight. Or if you don't do this, you can say, budget planner, design an Excel spreadsheet that will help me to have a great budget planner for 12 months, okay, for 12 months. Let's leave this out. Budget planner, design an Excel spreadsheet that will help to have a great budget planner for 12 months. That's 1 year, okay? Let's get running. Remember, I told you this takes only 10 seconds. Guys, it takes 10 seconds, okay? Now, here they are designing for you on how the sections should be, okay? Now, when you do this, they are giving you how the sections must be, right from top here. Budget planner, design an Excel spreadsheet, okay? You see how they're doing it? This is how it's supposed to do. So they are giving you this. You go to your Excel, okay? Then look at inputting all these columns. They're giving you the columns, column A, B, C, D, and E. That is under monthly overview. Then you get to monthly details. You have A, B, C, D, and E. You have the income section. In the monthly overview sheet, enter your various sources of income for each month. Then you have the expense section. Then you have the savings section. Then you have the net calculation, income calculation. Then you have the visualization. Then you have the conditional formatting, and then the summary. Create a summary section that provides an annual overview of your total income, total expenses, total savings, and net savings. Budget insights is optional. They are giving it to you as an optional. Then testing. Test your budget planner with some data to ensure that all formulas and functions are working correctly. So this is how it is. You can command ChatGPT to make sure it makes for you the planner and the budget planner by using ChatGPT. So thank you so much, guys. It's been a pleasure, and continue following my YouTube channel and be great, and all the time share it to someone out there that also would want to learn something to do with ChatGPT. Thank you and have a great day.